Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap. Today is September 11, Friday night. So let's get started. Week started on the 7th of September, right? That was Monday. So starting from that day, pound USD 20-minute entry, short entry. Here you will see my SL and my entry, sell entry, SL moves to break even plus. And this is the setup here. This indicator turning to the downside, blue candle turning red. And here's this yellow line has to be below this black line. So that's pretty much the setup. And you will see the same setup again and again. So let's move on. 7th September, pound USD 20-minute short for 80 pip. And then the next one on the 7th is pound CAD, and it is also 80 plus pip here. You will see a lot of pound pairs trade this week, and I'll show you why at the end of this video. And see this pound newsy also dropped here for 105 pip on the 7th. Right? This is the entry here, and this same setup. Yellow is below the black, blue candle turned red, and this indicator turning to the downside. Boom! I open the trade, put the SL here. The price moves a little bit in my favor here, and then I come down and sit on break even. Simple as that. Now here on the 7th, again, pound yen 7-minute chart and 70 pip. Look at the entry. Same setup. This indicator yellow below the black, blue candle turning red, and the entry here. Right. On the 8th now, it's a lot of trades on 8th. You can see I'm going to just move a little bit faster here. So pound Aussie 20-minute. Again, you will see a lot of pound pairs, pound trades. So short setup here for 85 pip. On the 8th, pound yen 105 pip here. Beautiful entry here all the way down. And here now see on the 8th again, pound USD 20-minute. Beautiful entry here. This was the first entry I showed you on the 7th, and this is the the next day on the 8th. Pound drop big time, and I'll show you why at the end of the video. I have those charts. Yeah, I was expecting 100%. The 8th September, now you see Euro newsy. Euro was getting, actually the pound, all you see the pound short, because pound was getting weaker and Euro was getting strong. So Euro pair went up. Euro newsy, it went up here for 115 pip. And here Euro Aussie also went up because of the Euro strength for 70 pip. This is from the 7-minute chart. And here on the 8th, Euro yen came down on the 8th because yen was getting strong more than euro, so this pair went down. You need to understand that the individual currency indexes. I'll show you at the end of the video maybe. On the 8th again, Aussie yen here because of the yen strength, all yen pairs went down. So this is the second one, and you'll see pound yen as well maybe later on. So pound USD, this is the third one. You remember the first one, the second one on 8th, and then on the third again on the 8th for 70 pip more, dropping below 40. 30.47. Very, very powerful area. Right, and then pound yen. You see that was the first one. This is the second trade here, and for 80 pip here on the 8th. I told you on the 8th, pound went crazy. It went down big time because of the news of the Brexit, all of that. So this is one of the, Aussie USD. I don't even bother with that pair, but I said, you know what, just take it, deal with it. So on the 8th, again here, Euro USD, right? This is the Euro USD strength, by the way. That's why it is. USD pair went down. Pound USD was going down as well because USD was contributing in going to the downside. And here on the 9th, finally 8 was finished, like maybe 7, 8, 9 trades, right? And then pound Aussie on the 9th, that's the only one. Pound Aussie again was continuing going to the downside. Basically, I was tired because of the all this trading on 8, so I didn't bother doing anything on the 9th. Right, so I just kind of relaxed on the 9th. There was a lot of opportunities, but I had to sleep and then rest a little bit. So pound Aussie on the 7-minute chart, 105 pip, and that's about it. And then on the 10th, I have big one. again, remember on the 9th, I made a video and then I showed everything, all those trades, and I said that the pound is getting weaker and all pound pair went down. And I was expecting it because of Aussie pound index chart, which I will show you next. So that's what's been happening. So pound CAD again on the 10th. Thursday is always the biggest moving day. Thursday is the biggest moving day of the week. So you will find big trades on Thursday. So this is what happened on the 10th. 160 pip, beautiful pound CAD entry and went down. Again, pound newsy, beautiful entry here, and then 135 pip here. And then pound yen for 150 pip. Again, 20-minute, beautiful by the book entry. You can see here, nice. After retracement, again, the sell entry has still, moved here, 150 pip. And I usually close my big trades after I take the shot of the picture, and then I close it. Now, these are the trades, I guess. And then let me show you why the pound, all these pound short went down. Why? This is the chart, the pound index 40-minute chart I made in the 1st September, and showing here that it's like Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished, and wave A is supposed to be coming down here into this area here. Okay, so the price started to come down. So I said, okay, it will be coming down here. Usually it goes in the territory of the last wave 4, which is right around here. Or, sometime it comes all the way to the top of the wave 1 here. So like 54, 53, and, somewhere there. But you know what? It came down all the way to 52, 60, even below that, because of that Brexit news came out. So this is what happened to this chart. Is that boom? This is the main reason all pound pair went down, because pound index going down means pound was getting weaker very badly. So because of this, all those pound pairs went down. Now you understand. I even wrote this here. You can see that when I made this chart, it says all pound pairs will be going down except EG, because the pound is on the right hand side. So this pair is supposed to go up when pound gets weaker. So when pounds get weaker, all the other pound is always on the left hand side except this pair, right? So all those pound pairs, they went down. Right, so this is what happened, and that's the reason all pound pair went down. Now, I also made exclusively pound USD chart, which was this, and here it was going up actually. Right, at the moment it was going up. So it says, well, this is the beautiful TL, and this big, huge number, big, very big number, 3502. So it was coming up, right? So that's what I said here. Don't worry, be ready, and ready to go do what? To go short, right? And what happened to this chart is so far this. It drops from there, touching the TL, and boom, 100, not even touching it. When it came very close, and 700 pip drop from there to now. Okay. And also the weekly chart I made, this is the pound USD weekly chart. This was the last week, right? On the 6th, which was Sunday. Monday started the 7th, right? So this is what happened on Sunday. The pound USD went up and then posted a doji there, right below that area, right? 30 below 3502 and the TL. So I said, okay, we may go up and hit that TL, or may just drop right from where we were at that time, and that's what happened. We dropped from there exactly to this 2774. We are sitting on this line here, and break that, we're gonna go there, 2396, and even more to the downside. Okay, Brexit news, it's very bad for pound right now. Everything is going just against it, and pound is getting crushed right now. But there is a chart that we have to be very careful. May turn the table. It depends. So I'm going to make that chart and send that to my subscribers. It's the chart of a euro pound pair. That is like a gauge between these two currencies, that is to see what's happening, who is getting weaker and who is getting strong, right? So far, euro was getting strong and pound was getting weaker, but we are hitting the resistance, big, strong resistance. So let's see if we break above it and then continue going to the upside, or we hold the resistance and then drop. In that case, pound probably going to get strong, and then all pound pair will retrace, and they should be retracing because we drop big time, right? So this is what happened. So what happened to this chart so far? Look at this. This is what happened, right? So it just dropped straight to 27.74. Okay. And by the way, on pound USD, I made a chart in 2018. Okay, let me show it to you. I think this is the next one. This is the chart. See this pound USD monthly chart, right? 18th February 2018. We were here, just below this this number, 42.37. We were there, and there was a TL, big TL to the upside, and I said that's a gray area. We might go there, or we might just drop right here from 42.37, and then the target would be all the way here. Okay, that's something that just my calculation. That's all, right? It's 100% is here. You know, all of these confluence, and this 127, 127D supposedly be at 0.76 from 1.40. I'm telling that, you know, we're gonna go down here. Okay, and what happened to this chart so far? Look, this is where I made the chart. So we came down here 1957. Okay, and then we went up again, and then came down, and we went up again, and then now again we're coming down. Understand? So the target is way to the downside. When we're gonna get there, maybe a couple of years, 5 years, I don't know. But so far, it's still my chart is still intact. Do you remember that this gray area? So this time, what we did before we touched again the inner TL and then dropped, but then this time we went and we touched the upper TL and the 3502 finally, and then we're making a turn, right? So very, very powerful chart, very powerful scenario right now. And pound USD currently and the monthly chart, remember I just showed you, that's what it is, that it hit this and now dropping. Monthly chart, weekly charts, all pointing to the downside. And this is my this is the one, this is the oldest chart of 2018 of pound USD. So are we now going to this area? So we came down here, we went up, finally we hit the outer TL, and now we're turning to the downside. With the bad news that we have right now in hand about the pound and all those Brexit situation, right? It seems like it's not going to happen, and they will just break up, abruptly, and then go their own ways or something like that. I don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen, to be honest with you. Not even Johnson or EU officials, right? So we will just see, what the time will bring to us. But so far, pound is getting hurt and continue probably next week, and then next week, and then next week. So let's see what happens. Anyway, so this is not the, this is the current the date, old date here, right? Don't worry about the date. But this is the current chart as of February. What the heck I did? All right, so supposed to type here something, which will be 11th of September, right? Okay, that's today's chart, right? So anyway, so this is it for now. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, or you want to get these the setup and these the system, Magic Average system, so you can pull some of these trades like these, right? Beautiful setup. All always you will see, this was a short setup here, this was a short setup here, this was this, not this because it wasn't touching the yellow, but here was a nice. So same scenario, same setup. See, look at that. Pound USD. Yellow is below the black, blue candle turning red. This indicator all the way up from the top turning to the downside. Boom. I open the trade. This is the second one. This is the third one. Same scenario, same thing again and again and again and again. You find it. See, same thing. Euro yen. So that's how the system works. Very easy if you good in learning. So you can learn it and repeat it. It's simple as that. Repeat. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And if you like to be a part of it, then just go on my website, myforesmagicweb.com, and subscribe and continue. Okay. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.